Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant bare root Echinacea. First, choose a sunny location with well-draining soil. Prepare the planting site by loosening the soil to a depth of about 12 inches. You'll want to ensure the area is free of weeds and debris. This initial preparation is crucial for giving your Echinacea the best start and promoting strong root development. Now, let's get those roots in the ground. Dig a hole that's wide enough to comfortably spread out the roots, typically about 6 inches deep. Create a small mound of soil in the center of the hole. Carefully place the bare root Echinacea on top of the mound, ensuring the crown, where the stem meets the roots, is at soil level. Gently spread the roots downwards and outwards before backfilling. Once planted, it's time for some immediate care. Water your newly planted Echinacea thoroughly to help settle the soil around the roots and eliminate air pockets. Continue to water regularly, especially during the first few weeks and any dry spells. Echinacea prefers about 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily, so ensure your chosen spot provides ample light for robust growth. For long-term success, remember that Echinacea thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Avoid overly wet conditions, as this can lead to root rot. Consider adding a layer of mulch to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Space plants about 18 to 24 inches apart for good air circulation. Deadhead spent blooms to encourage more flowers, or leave some for winter interest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.